going on, everyone? Gonna be doing something a little bit different today. We're gonna actually be doing some creek fishing. We had actually a lot of snow yesterday, and hard to believe it actually snowed at all. It completely melted. It's like a completely gorgeous, beautiful, sunny day. You would never have guessed that we had a ton of snow yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna try doing a little bit of creek fishing. Probably gonna start off by throwing around a little jig, see if anything goes after that. Toss out some worms. Don't plan on catching anything too big, but yeah, whatever we can catch, I'll be happy with. So let's see what we can get into. All right, and water's a little higher than I thought it was going to be, but okay, we'll drop some baits in there, and hopefully we can get into something. All right, so I'm gonna start off just by tossing out this little jig here, just crawling it very slowly on the bottom. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this to mimic a crayfish possibly, so let's see what we can get. All right, unfortunately the current is pretty swift. I don't even think my jig is making it to the bottom. The current is just picking it up and taking it off. So I think we're gonna actually switch it up, and I'm gonna actually put some live bait on the bottom using a river rig. See if we can get anything that way. All right, here we go. I'm gonna switch over to a river rig with a piece of worm on a circle hook to, let's see, I think that's a 1/2 ounce sinker. Let's toss that out and see if we can get anything now. All right, there we go. There you go. Little creek chub to get us started here. Nothing too excited, but hey, it's a fish. I'll take it. Let's get this guy back in. All right. See you, buddy. Another chub. Guys are pretty small. I know there's some big ones in here. I'm hoping we can get into something a little bigger than this. Go. These things are all about the same size in here, all just little baby guys. I'm thinking I might actually end up packing up soon and try a different spot, see if we can get into something better than these little chubs. All right, I'm gonna get you back in, bud, don't worry. Later. There we go. All right. It's another chub, but a little bit of a better one at least. There we go. Well, they're getting a little bit better. Let's see if we can even top this guy. Man, on ultralight tackle, they're actually pretty good fighters, I'll tell you that much. Cool. All right, back in you go, bud. All right, well, I did end up getting a few creek chubs in this spot. Didn't get anything too big. Doesn't seem like there's anything other than little creek chubs in this spot right here. So I think we're gonna pack up and move and see if maybe we can find something else hiding in this creek. All right, I have caught some really big chubs out of this pool right here. Some of them measuring over 10 inches in length, which is pretty big for a creek chub. So I'm gonna toss out a worm on the bottom and see what we can get in here. There we go. Oh yeah. All right. All right, first fish in this spot. Not too big still, but hey, I'll take it. All right, later, bud. Oh boy. Oh man, it's the smallest one of the day, I think. Guy's like a little sardine. This is the last spot of the day here. Starting to get dark out, so I'm gonna have to head home soon. Hopefully get something here. Oh, oh, it's a bass. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's a little largemouth. That's the first, yeah, that's my first bass of the year, actually. How do you like that? Just fishing a little creek. Really cool. I don't usually get too many bass out of here, so nice, cool little catch. Let's get this guy back in. All right, see you later, bud. There you go. What on earth? It's another bass. Actually, this guy might be slightly bigger than that last one, but cool. I guess there are a couple of them hanging out by this bridge. Two largemouths. All right, let's get this guy back in. Let's see if we can get a third one. Oh, what on earth? They're getting bigger. Look at that. They're getting better. Bass number 3. Just fishing a small little creek. Awesome. Very cool. I can't believe there's so many of them just in this small little section right here. All right, later, buddy. having to like double glance to make sure I'm not catching the same fish over and over. This guy, he's probably more like the size of the first one I caught, but there's definitely a different fish. I don't see any hook marks in him. Wow, I can't believe how many are hanging out by this bridge though. They're just stacked over here. All right, well, it looks like the sun is beginning to set, which means I got to start heading back to my car. Hey, for a couple hours on a Sunday afternoon, fishing a little creek like this, who can complain? You know, the fish maybe weren't that big, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that, you know, you enjoy what you're doing, you have fun with it, and I really did. So I still can't believe we caught all these little bass by this. I don't. It's like a little feeder creek that actually feeds into the main creek. So that was actually pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on the next one.